In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export video in Pictory. If you've just finished creating a project and you're ready to save it to your computer, I'll walk you through exactly what to click, what each option means, and a few simple tips so your export goes smoothly. Start by signing in to your Pictory account. Once you're in, create your video the way you normally would. Whether it's a short clip for Reels, a vertical piece for Stories, or a longer format, go ahead and generate the video. Give it a moment to build. When the preview looks the way you want, you're ready to export. Look to the top of the screen and select Download. Pictory will immediately ask whether you want to download with a watermark or without a watermark. If you're on a paid plan, choose the option to download without a watermark so your video is clean and ready to publish. If you're using the free version, select Download with Watermark. That way, you still get your file, but it will include a small mark identifying the tool. After you choose, Pictory will begin processing the export. This can take a little time depending on the length of your video. If you don't want to wait on that screen, click Run in background so you can keep working on other projects while it finishes. When processing is underway or complete, you'll see a few helpful actions. Copy link lets you quickly share a link to your rendered video without downloading it first. Export audio gives you the audio track by itself, useful if you want to reuse narration or music elsewhere. Export text provides the text content, such as the script or captions, which is handy for repurposing or reviewing. And of course, you can click Download to save the full video to your device. If you choose Download, your browser will save the file to your default Downloads folder. From there, you can move it into your project folder, rename it for version control, and preview it to make sure everything looks and sounds correct. That's all there is to it. So that's how to export a video in Pictory. Log in, generate your video, choose your watermark option, let it process, and then download or use the extra export options as needed. If this walkthrough helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next tutorial.